a slave?
Get it from her, Madison.
Here I go again. Where are ya? Yeah, get the check. Open the door. Do you know how to open the door? No, you use the handle. Okay.
Julia, it looks like you're in timeout.
Want to take it out? Here you go. Pick what you want. This check, okay.
Jules, are you ready for your performance?
Can't get to move right. Alright. You didn't eat that